Hey, what's up guys, Jahan Skateboards, and I just got a package in the mail, so I'm gonna open it. Nice. So, I got an Emerge Movement shirt. Two stickers and a wristband. And then, of course, the most important part, the board. This is nice. So, down here it says, love the talent you are, let it support you. Willing and trusting to your possession. Make your way through life as no one's master and no one's slave. And, I got this from the Emerge Movement website. And, yep. So this will be in a couple more videos. And then, also, I got the Action Shot HD camera. So, now my videos are going to be made with this. So definitely look around for this in my videos.